Hello viewers, welcome back to Santi's channel for mathematics, and today we are here to solve questions under simultaneous equations. So we are having it here written simultaneous equations. So there is one question over here we are going to go through together. Solve for the values of x and y in the equations. So we are having our two equations over here. So two simultaneous equations involving two variables x and y. X plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to 0. So let us write our equations over here. X plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to 0. So under simultaneous equations, we're having three methods of solving, but for this video I'm going to teach only two methods. The third method is a graphical method, and I don't have the graph over here to teach you, so you can learn the two methods and use them. So the methods you can use over here, that we have one to be the substitution method. We have two to be the elimination method, and we have the last one to be the graphical method, that we need a graph to learn that one. But you can use the first two to solve any question under simultaneous equations and you get them right, and no one will penalize you for that. Alright, so let us use the first one, the substitution method. So we are using the substitution method to try this. So there are two equations, so let me try to divide this into two. So you're having our substitution here, so you're using substitution method over here. After that, we will use the elimination method also over here. Alright, so let's start with the substitution method. So let's copy the two equations. X plus y is equal to 1 is our equation 1, and x minus y is equal to 0 is equal to this is also our equation 2. So from the substitution, as the name implies, we take one of the equation, we make either x or y the subject, and we substitute or put into another equation. So I will choose equation 2. So we can say from equation 2, that is the second equation, let us make either of them the subject. So let us make x the subject. So x is equal to, from equation 2, equal to 0 plus y, that is grouping of items. Y will be here, and since y is negative, it becomes positive over here. So 0 plus y, and it is y. So we are having s is equal to y. That is from equation 2. You can name it either equation 3 or any other equation. So I can say it is called equation star. So we will pick equation 1. Since we use equation 2, we cannot use equation 2 again. So let us pick equation 1 and we substitute or put in this one, which is equation star. So let us continue. So this implies that from equation 1, substitute equation star. So we are having, this implies in equation 1, so wherever we find x, we can put y over there, right? Or wherever we find y, we can put s over there, since they are equal. So we are having s plus this is y, and y and s are equal from equation star, so we can put the s again, is equal to 1. So this is thereby giving us 2x is equal to 1. 2s is equal to 1. Alright, so as we continue, we will thereby divide both sides by 2, right? Divide both sides by 2 to get our value for x. So upon dividing both sides by 2 like this, then we finally get our value of x to be equal to 1 over 2. Since this cancels this, so you're having 1 over 2 for x. You can substitute it into equation 2 that we had the equation start from. Since we are saying that s and y are equal, so nothing even stops us from saying that s is equal to y. So if s is equal to y and s is equal to 12 or 1 over 2, so let us write it here. S from equation star is equal to y, comma, then we can say that since s equal to half, comma, y is equal to half. There's just a simple logic, and I hope you understand. Alright, so let's use the elimination method and we should get the same solutions. So let's come here. So let us copy the equations again. S plus y is equal to 1, equation 1 here, and s minus y is equal to 0, equation 2 here. We have our two equations over here. From elimination method, what we do is that we make sure one of them is getting rid of, either x or y is getting rid of, so that we find one, and after that we substitute to find the other one. So let us try to add the two equations. So add equation 1 and equation 2. After adding the two equations, you just find out that the y will just get vanished. So s plus s over here, let us write it over here. S plus y is equal to 1, s minus y is equal to 0. So we are adding the two equations over there, and what we are getting is that s plus s is giving us 2s, and y plus minus y or negative y is giving us 0, right? So we are having plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 0, which is 1. So finally we get 2s is equal to 1. 2s is equal to 1. Then we can say that divide both sides by 2, and 2 cancels 2 over here. This implies that the value of s is half. So we have gotten s as in the same substitution method. We had s to be half. Here to having s to be half. But let us try to find the value of y from the elimination method too. So we can say that put x into equation. You can use any of the equations to find our y. So let us say equation 2. Put s into equation 2. So you know that s is half. So let us put into it. So this implies that from equation 2, we are having x minus y is equal to 0, right? So you know that s is half. So half minus y is equal to 0. This implies that, so grouping of like terms, y will come here. So finally y is equal to half. So ladies and gentlemen viewers, you find out that we had the same answers over here. S is half, y is half. Here 2s is half, y is half. This implies that the two methods are all giving us the answers. Maybe next time we will work on the graphical method to find simultaneous equations. So this one is the method I couldn't teach since we don't have the graph over here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Come here always to watch our videos. Thank you. Alright viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.